The following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the WWE Women's United States Championship.
This is a big-time opportunity, Byron, as the title will be on the line here.
You're right, Michael, and judging from the response on social media heading into this match, we're likely to see a new champ crowned here tonight. The challenger looks to be in the best shape ever, ready to compete for that title.
Remember, guys, the title is on the line here in this one.
And I don't remember the last time the champ was in this much jeopardy, Cole. Tonight might just be the night the title changes hands.
Major title defense. Can she handle the pressure of this match?
Introducing the challenger from Brooklyn, New York, Willow Nightingale. And her opponent from Charlotte, North Carolina, the WWE Women's United States Champion, the Tessa Blanchard.
Tonight, which woman leaves this building with that United States title?
The Women's United States Championship on the line, and it's transformed the women's division thus far.
Yeah, it's become a highly contested title, that's for sure. I expect tonight's competitors to pull out all the stops with this title up for grabs.
I think she's ready to blow the roof off this place. Look at this, fighting out with a series of...
Will create separation. Look at these educated hands and feet, and a DDT to follow it up.
Picking up speed off the rope.
She countered that into her own offense.
Lethal kick.
Boom, what a clothesline.
Went for the springboard and missed.
A sound suplex. There's the double axe handle.
Ooh, forearm connects.
Nasty stomp of the arm.
Slipped out of that one just in time.
scouted, now can capitalize.
Running Hurricane Rana.
Fantastic. A big showing of agility from the champ there. Arm drag provides an escape.
Down low with the drop kick.
She gets put in the corner.
Big elbow.
And she's making her way to the top rope here.
She went airborne and missed.
A quick reversal from her. Tilt-a-whirl DDTs.
Right into the pin.
Stops the ref count before 2.
Doesn't bode well if you still can't get more than a 1 count by now. Boom! Oh! Boom!
Slides under the ropes. Back into the ring. Oof.
Oh, man!
And she's really on the back foot now.
She's really struggling to find an answer here.
Sends her opponents across the ring.
We got a little crisscross action. Oh, pounce! We might be moments away from crowning a new champ.
Cover. Clever move, using the rope to break the pin.
Holy time offense there.
Drop kick to the side of the skull.
That might have put it away. 2. Title match stays alive.
I didn't think we'd see a kick out there.
Oh, shot to the jaw. Lining her up perfectly. I would fear what's coming next. Perched up high. Diving double knee face breaker. This might be it. The champ might keep it here. Retains the title.
We've got some time to take another look at some of the highlights from that one.
Here is your winner, and still the WWE Women's United States Champion, the Diamond,
What the heck is she doing?
Valkyria gets countered. She's not going to have any of that.
What an incredible display of resiliency. Even after the match, she still has fight left in her.
And going right on the offensive here. Boom! To the back of the neck.
Wow, what a shot.
Chipping away at the opposition.
Oh, and a shot to the back of the neck. From behind.
German suplex released. Ow! Now step up Enziguri. Wards that off. What a response.
Letting her opponent know she's more than ready.